Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. Manitoba invites 124 skilled worker candidates in latest provincial immigration draw, June 2026 Canada Immigration Update. There is another important update for people planning to immigrate to Canada through the Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program, also known as the MPNP. The Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program conducted a new immigration draw on 18 June 2026, issuing 124 letters of advice to apply, or LAS, to eligible candidates under the skilled worker stream. This was Manitoba's 12th provincial immigration draw of 2026, continuing the province's focus on attracting skilled workers through strategic recruitment initiatives. Let's take a look at the details. Manitoba conducts new skilled worker draw. On 18 June 2026, Manitoba invited 124 candidates through two pathways under the skilled worker stream. Skilled worker in Manitoba, skilled worker overseas. Candidates invited in this draw had declared in their expression of interest profile that they had been directly invited by the MPNP through a strategic recruitment initiative or that they held Manitoba-supported work permits. Breakdown of the invitations. The 124 letters of advice to apply were distributed across 5 strategic recruitment initiatives. Employer services, 49 invitations. Temporary public policy to facilitate work permits for prospective provincial nominee program candidates, TPP 32 invitations. Regional communities, 19 invitations. Francophone community, 15 invitations. Ethnocultural communities, 9 invitations. Among the 124 invitations, 22 candidates also had a valid express entry profile number and job seeker validation code. Who was eligible to be considered in this draw? Candidates were required to indicate in their expression of interest profile that they had been invited through a strategic recruitment initiative or through the now expired temporary public policy to facilitate work permits for prospective provincial nominee program candidates, TPP. The province also confirmed that some candidates may not have received an invitation if their language test results were missing, invalid, or expired. They claimed to have received a strategic recruitment invitation but did not provide a valid invitation number. Manitoba's immigration progress in 2026. Following this latest draw, Manitoba has now issued a total of 1,833 letters of advice to apply in 2026. The province has been allocated 6,239 provincial nominations by the federal government for 2026, and Manitoba continues to use targeted immigration draws to meet its labor market needs. Why this is important? The latest draw demonstrates Manitoba's continued focus on attracting skilled workers who have strong connections to the province through employers, regional recruitment, francophone initiatives, and community-based recruitment programs. For candidates with a valid express entry profile, receiving a provincial nomination through an enhanced stream can provide 600 additional comprehensive ranking system (CRS) points, significantly improving their chances of receiving an invitation to apply for Canadian permanent residence. What this means for applicants? If you are interested in immigrating to Manitoba, this latest draw highlights the importance of maintaining an accurate and complete expression of interest profile. Candidates should ensure their language test results remain valid, their express entry profile is up to date, if applicable, any strategic recruitment initiative invitation number is entered correctly, all supporting information is accurate and complete. Doing so can improve the chances of being selected in future Manitoba immigration draws. Final update. On 18 June 2026, Manitoba invited 124 skilled worker candidates through the Skilled Worker in Manitoba and Skilled Worker Overseas pathways. The draw focused on candidates invited through strategic recruitment initiatives and Manitoba-supported work permits, demonstrating the province's continued commitment to addressing labor market needs through targeted immigration selection. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.